All right, but now margins are coming down in a hurry, and you and I both know that the stock market itself, maybe does it overvalue decline in margins? In other words, does it look at it and say, well, let's forget every other metric. What matters is the margins go down, so let's sell United Wholesale Mortgage?
No, I don't think so. I don't really understand why people focus so much on that. We control the margins. The margins didn't collapse. I control the margins. I dropped the margins to focus on putting a lot of pressure on my competitors, which we did successfully. The top mortgage lender, Rocket, went down 20%. We went up 21%. Everyone's margins compressed. We knew this would happen. We controlled this. And so we have complete control and command of the business, and we're excited about that. We can do loans cheaper. Our cost to originate is lower than everyone because of our technology. And so I can play this game all day. We made hundreds of millions of dollars in the quarter. I look at it as a monstrous win across the board. And then the doubling the purchase business, the biggest purchase quarter of all time. I mean, we're excited about the quarter. And so some people don't understand that. They'll figure it out over quarter after quarter of me telling them how it's going to go and delivering like I did when I told you.
Okay, so, Matt, you're a basketball player. You were on the national championship team, Michigan State. So you know John Wooden. You know his thinking. John Wooden always said, I don't care about the other team. Even when they were up against no matter what team they played, as Bill Walton said in his great autobiography, John Wooden did not want to hear about the other team. Matt, you referenced the other team multiple times in your conference call. You talked about Rocket. Why do that?
So we're competing with Rocket along with other great companies. I'm not afraid to mention who we're competing with. They're a great company along with other great companies. I look at it as a positive thing. We're trying to be the best version of UWM every day, serve consumers, serve mortgage brokers, and dominate the market. And you know how we're going to do that? We're going to continue to take market share and grow. And you know how it works? There's only a pie so big in our business. And so for us to win, others are going to come down. And that's what you saw in the second quarter, a major market share gain by UWM, and the other 3, 4, 5 public companies that you follow all went down. And so we're competing. We're trying to win. We're not,
But Rocket's making more per customer. I'm going to belabor this for a second. Rocket is making more per customer. Now, you're wholesale, but they've got a pretty interesting model, Matt. Where they're doing solar loans now, car loans. You know that. You like those ancillary loans. Is there ancillary business that you can do that will make it so if the margins get hurt in one business, they can explode in another?
Yeah, so I control the margins once again. And so Rocket, you want to look at those guys, their solar, all this, it's a lot of smoke and mirrors, to be honest with you. The reality is this. They make their money in mortgage just like we do, and they do a heck of a job. They made a lot of money just like we made a lot of money, and that's great for the industry. The key is who's going to win when rates go up? Rates went up 19 basis points, a very small rate, and everyone thought the mortgage industry fell apart, but we still grew. Wait till rates go from 2.99 to 3.5 or 4% next year, and we're going to grow. We're going to dominate in the mortgage space because we dominate in purchase. And purchase is the only part of mortgage that is not rate sensitive, and that's the key to win.
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @JimCramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Kramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.